Welcome to the another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators in C++. Arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations. As I told you in the previous video, operators are used to perform operations or mathematical operations. So arithmetic operators is used to perform some common mathematical operations. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. And sum equal to 100 plus 50. Plus is a arithmetic operators. It is an addition. So this will add both values. That's why it's called arithmetic operators. Because it's performing some mathematical operations on two values or variables. Plus addition, its operator adds together values, add together two values x plus y. Minus subtraction subtracts one value from another x minus y. Multiplication, asterisk symbol is used for multiplication in C++. It will multiply two values x multiplied by y. Division, it will divide one value by another x divided by y. Slash is used as a division in C++. And it's called a modulus, or it returns the division remainder. So let's see some examples. And x equal to 100 plus 150. It will add 100 and 150, then put the value to x. Equal to is a assignment operator. We will learn about these in next videos. So let's which is the arithmetic operators. Addition, it's a plus symbol. It is adding both values. So this is a arithmetic operators, addition. And x equal to 100 minus 50. It will subtract 50 from 100, then put the value to x. Minus is a arithmetic operator. It's subtracting one value from another. And x equal to 100 plus 100 multiplied by 5. Multiply, it is a arithmetic operators. It is multiplying 100 and put multiply 100 and 5, then put the value to x. And x equal to 100 divided by 2. It is a division symbol, as I told you. It will divide 100 by 2, then put the value to x. Plus addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are arithmetic operators. And last one is a modulus. If we do int x equal to 100 modulus 7, it will return the remainder after division. It will divide 100 by 7 and it will return the remainder. So that's all for today.